Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example which will be about cut and polish. So let's look at the example first. Cut and polish. A machine is used to cut and polish glasses. Push button by pressing and releasing is used to carry on the cutting the glass process, which takes 10 seconds. Then again, on pressing and releasing the same button for the second time, we will be able to do polishing the glass, which will take place for 15 seconds. That means there is a push button. When it is being pressed and released first time, then the process of cutting the glass will take place for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, when push button is again second time pressed and released, then second process of polishing the glass will take place for 15 seconds. So for this example, we will use normally open contacts and normally closed contacts. We will be also implementing latching using memory bits and some timers like TP. So let's move to TI Portal, where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. This is the interface of TI Portal. So firstly, we need to go to the PLC tags and default tag table. So here we have to add our inputs and outputs. So we have only one input, that is a push button. And then we have some outputs. We have two outputs, that is cutting, that may be a cutting. We'll write the name of the process here. The address will be Q0.0. And then we have one more output, that is polishing. After that, we'll go to program blocks and main OB1. So here we need to add our inputs and outputs. So I will add a normally open contact here. That will be a push button, and then we will insert a coil that will represent a memory bit M0.0, and then I will open the branch at a normally open contact, then close. So we are latching this M0.0 here. And then when M0.0 gets through and push button is released, then the process will start. So this is M0.0 and this is push button, and it is one more coil, that is M0.1, and we will latch it here. So I will open the branch and a normally open contact and close. So this is M0.1. And after that, this M0.1 will be used here as normally open contact M0.1 to turn on the machinery for cutting the glass. So we'll insert a coil that will represent the process of cutting, and this process will take place for 10 seconds. So for that, we'll use a timer operation TP, and the preset value for TP will be 10 seconds. And then when M0.1 is true, and push button is being pressed second time. So this represents the push button. When it is being pressed second time, then one more memory bit gets through, that is M0.2, and this M0.2 will be latched here. So I will open the branch, add a normally open contact, and then connect it like this. So this will be M0.2. And then when this M0.0 gets through and push button is being released, when M0.2 gets on and this push button is being released, then one more process will start, and this process will be of polishing the glass. So it will represent polishing, and this polishing process will go on for 15 seconds. So the preset value for this timer will be 15 seconds. So this will be 15 seconds. So we will move this like this. So we'll start the simulation here. Click on load and then finish. After that, we'll start the CPU. Click on OK. Then start monitoring and then switch to project view. So here we need to create a new project. Let's create. Go to simulation tables and simulation table 1. So here we need to right click and then load project tags. So when push button is pressed, nothing happens. As you can see here, only this M0.0 gets through, and then when it is released, this cutting process has started and it will cut the glass for 10 seconds. After that, the cutting process has stopped, and then when I press it again, then this M0.2 gets through, but the polishing start doesn't start. So for that, we need to release a push button, and then only the polishing process will start and it will polish the glass for 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, the polishing process will stop. So as you can see here, polishing process has stopped. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.